I already finished encoder part of transformer. Now we are going to understand transformer decorator, how text is generated. In the end of video you should say, okay, now I understand how GPT actually generate text one word at a time. Okay, you will understand, okay, how GPT actually generate text one word at a time. So the transformer decorator from understanding to generation. So for we have seen how the encoder understand the input. Okay, so now let's talk about the decorator. So decorator is the part that actually generate the text. Now we are going to understand encoder versus decoder. Okay, so here this is the diagram for encoder. This part is for encoder. Okay, and this part is for decorator, and this is the whole architecture is for what? This is a transformer architecture. Okay, first part is encoder and second part is for decorator. So encoder, here you can see here this part I already explained multiple times. So encoder read and understand the entire input sentence. Okay, and decorator, this part generate the output sentence. Okay, so it does this one word at a time. So this is how translation and text generation happen. Okay, so after this we move here why the decorator is different from the encoder. Okay, so why this part is different from this part. Okay, so here the decorator is different from the encoder in one key way. Okay, it must not see future words. It must not see future words. If it could, it would be cheating. Okay, so as use the word cheating, human get it instantly. Okay, now we are going to move here mask multi-head attention. Okay, so here in decorator you can see mask multi-head attention, this one. Okay, this is called the mask self attention. Okay, mask multi-head attention or mask self attention. Masking means blocking future word. It will block the future words. Okay, the model is only allowed to look at past and current token. Here, model is only allowed to look at past and current token. Okay, and by masking is necessary. Okay, so text generation is auto-regressive. Okay, so that means the next word is predicted using only previous word. If the model could see the future, it would already know the answer. That would break the learning completely. Okay, so that's why we use masking, or masking is necessary. Okay, for example, I have hi AI. Okay, so let's take simple example, that is hi AI. Okay, at step 1 the model only see hi, this one. Okay, it predict the next word. Okay, at the step 1 model only see hi. Okay, it predict the next word. At the step 2 it see hi AI. First it, I mean at the step 2 it sees hi and AI. So, but nothing beyond that. The mask ensure this behavior. Okay, I'm going to explain again with this example. At step 1 the model only see hi. Okay, it predict the next word. At step 2 it sees hi AI. Okay, but nothing beyond that. The mask ensure this behavior. Internally this is done using the casual mask. Okay, it block attention to the future positions. You don't need to remember the matrix. Just remember the rule, no picking into the future. Now we are going to understand encoder and decoder attention. Okay, so this is the part. Okay, encoder and decorator attention. Okay, so because encoder, okay, so here you can see output of the encoder is connected here, and output of this this layer, or you can say this is the decorator attention. Okay, so decorator attention and encoder attention. Here this is the encoder attention and this is the decorator attention, this line. So it is called the encoder decoder attention. Okay, so I'm going to show you one another diagram. Okay, so here this is, you can say this is the encoder attention because it is the encoder, and this is the decorator self attention. Okay, and here you can see this one decorator encoder attention. Here this one, because encoder is connected here and also decorator is connected here, so this is called the encoder decoder attention. Okay, this part. So now come encoder decoder attention here. Okay, so this is where the decorator looks at the encoder output. Okay, so here you can see decorator look at the encoder's output. This allow the decorator to use information from the input sentence, this one. Okay, so why encoder decoder attention matter? Okay, so here decoder has two source of information. Okay, this part has two source of information. First, what it has generated so far, and second, what the encoder understood from the input. Okay, encoder decoder attention connect these two. Okay, now we can see here how it works. Okay, so decorator ask the questions. It asks which part of the input sentence should I focus on right now. Okay, decorator ask the question which part of the input sentence should I focus on right now. The encoder provide the answer. So here by the encoder it provide the answer by the encoder. Okay, so encoder provide the answer. Okay, so here after this translator analogy. Okay, so think of a human translator. Okay, think of human translator, so they read the full sentence first. Okay, and then they translate word by word. At each step they look back at the original sentence. That's exactly what the encoder does. Okay, here now we are going to understand feed forward neural network in decorator. After finishing these, okay, we are going to understand feed forward neural network in decorator. Before we understood uh, encoder decoder attention matters. Okay, and here feed forward neural network in decorator. We are going to talk about this feed forward network in decorator. Okay, so this one. After this we are going to move here feed forward, okay, network, or here you can see this one feed forward network after taking transformer from the other token. Okay, so we will understand this later. Okay, so here we are going to understood, I'm going to explain this. Okay, so here just like the encoder, okay, just like the encoder, decoder also has feed forward network. Okay, you can see here encoder has feed forward network and decoder also has feed forward network. It refines the information at each position. Again, this happen independently for each words. Okay, and after this we have final layers, final linear and softmax layer, this one linear and softmax. Okay, after all the attention and processing, the decorator output vectors. Okay, so these vectors are not worded. The linear layer map them to vocabulary size. So softmax convert this into a probability. Okay, so here I'm going to explain again. Okay, after all the attention and processing, the decorator output vectors, these vectors are not worded. The linear layer maps them to vocabulary size. Softmax convert this into a probabilities. Okay, so here after this predicting the next word. Okay, so each probability represents how likely a word is to be a next. The model select one word and move to the next step. This process repeat until the sentence is completed. Okay, so why this is powerful? This design allow the model to generate the text. It works for translation, chat, summarization, and many more. This is the core of GPT like models. Okay, so now I'm going to explain summary of decorator. Marks attention, prevent the cheating. This mask attention are used to prevent the cheating. Encoder decoder, this one, this is used for prevent the cheating. And this part, encoder decoder attention, bring the context and feed forward neural network, refine the representations. Okay, linear and softmax convert vector into words. These two are used to convert the vector into the words. Okay, so this is the basic summary of decorator. First, this layer, mask attention, prevent the cheating. Second layer, this is encoder decorator attention, bring the context. Okay, and here feed forward network, refine the representation, and linear and softmax convert the vector into the words.